Welcome to a day in the life of an HVAC contractor when it's 17 degrees outside. Got to add about 5 more calls to this schedule, then hit the road. It's starting to feel like a Monday. I left my wallet at home, so now one of my guys has got to bring me one of our Lowe's cards and a credit card. We're still gonna get it done though. Got this unit not going in the defrost. Forced it in the defrost right now. Got the condenser fan kill, switching the air conditioning. Number 2.
Did you turn it on?
Yes, sir, I did.
Oh, I had it.
See if we got a bad board. The unit did shift into defrost. Somebody's been in here piddling. Got some Romex inside. The install crew knocked out these 2 changeouts while I helped the guys run service calls. Seven service calls later, 2 changeouts, 6 cities. We're done. Well, I got to do billing now, but that's a wrap for today.